Very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all at Mahatma Jyotiba Rao Phule Dhyan Kendra, Gautam Buddha University campus. This Dhyan Kendra is a part of Gautam Buddha University, and this is one of the most, you can say, important part of the Gautam Buddha University. This particular center is being run by School of Buddhist Study and Civilization. At this place, different principles of Gautam Buddha are being practiced. All the teachings of Lord Gautam Buddha being practiced here. Students, non-teaching staff, teaching staff, they come to this place and they perform meditation in this particular hall. You can say this particular building reflects the teachings of the Lord Gautam Buddha. This building portrays the 8 principles of Gautam Buddha, and the architecture of this meditation center is very much similar to the various Buddhist monuments located across the world. So keeping in view the teachings of Lord Buddha, this meditation center has been established. So regular meditation sessions are being run. So people at large, they come here and perform the yoga practices, and the message of this place is self indeed is the protector of self, self indeed is one's refuge. It says that no one is there for the help of anyone. Only self can protect a person from all type of sufferings. So that's why in Buddhist philosophies it has been symbolized that it is the self which is the protector. No one can protect anyone, but it is the self, inner conscience of a person who can protect that particular person. So when we come to this place, we feel energetic, we derive immense energy from this place, and you can say that inside this meditation center, small cabins have been made. Inside these cabins, people can perform yoga practices under utter tranquility. So such cabins are completely disconnected from the outer world, and when you perform yoga practices, you feel that you are not the part of this world. So it's very amazing place, and we regularly keep on visiting at this place. So I am extremely fortunate to be associated with this university, Gautam Buddha University, and this is one of my favorite place. So today, on the day of 14th April 2021, we are celebrating the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. And just a day before, we celebrated the birth anniversary of Mahatma Jyotiba Rao Phule. So overall, we can say that this university is working for the spread of teachings of Lord Buddha, and Buddhist philosophies are only way to rid the world from suffering, from conflicts, from all type of you can say problems prevailing in the society. So with this message, I wish you all the best. Thank you.